Hi guys, I'm Madeline here at Lakeside Table, and today we are making a Hugo Spritz cocktail. Now stick around to the end of this video because I'm going to share some of my favorite twists on this cocktail so you can enjoy your Hugo Spritz all year long. The key components of this bubbly drink are ice, 6 ounces high quality Prosecco, 1 ounce excellent elderflower liqueur, 2 ounces sparkling water, seltzer, or a club soda. Fresh mint, lightly bruised, 2 slices of lime. So easy and so refreshing. First, fill your glass with ice. Pour 6 ounces of a good Prosecco over the ice. Then add 1 ounce of St-Germain or your favorite elderflower liqueur. When picking a Prosecco, choose one that's dry and a bit fruity. Ideally, it should be a DOC or DOCG classified so you know you're getting high quality bubbly from the heart of Italy's Prosecco region. Splash 2 ounces of club soda or sparkling water into the glass. Lightly rub a sprig of mint between your palms to gently release its essence and add it to your elderflower cocktail along with a little fresh lime juice. And finally, finish it off with a lime wheel deep in the glass. Here's a few ideas to inspire you to create your own version of a Hugo Spritz so you can enjoy it all year long. Mint and lemon, rosemary and cranberries, blueberries and raspberries, mint and cucumber. Thanks for hanging out with me here at Lakeside Table. Please take a moment and subscribe. Stick around for some more videos and we'll have fun in the kitchen. Salut!